We ate the biscuits, there's no biscuits left.
I think it divides people.
It feels a bit like a chemistry class.
I have got a recipe.
I can't follow my recipe, I need glasses on.
Welcome back to our Railway 200 Chefs Challenge, where we're tasking two LNER chefs with recreating a dish from the archives of the National Railway Museum. I'm your host Evelyn, and I'm here with Jackie.
Hi.
And Gavin.
Hi.
And we're here in the Cookery School at the Grand in York. Today we are cooking up a retro classic from British Rail in 1979. It's a combo of the salad special from BR's InterCity grill together with a cherry flan dessert. So Gavin and Jackie, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Ready?
Yeah, so that's two chefs, 2 centuries and 2 dishes. Let's get cooking.
Okay. Good luck, Jackie.
Good luck.
So Joe, what's on the menu for lunch today?
Rack of lamb, sole, and turkey and ham pie.
Do they also come and thank you?
Don't really want them to.
Thanks very much.
Okay.
I'm just making chicken thighs look more presentable, so I'm taking all the bones out, getting rid of all the sinew and the fat, ready to be put into the marinade, which I'll show you in a while.
I'm just busy marinating my chicken at the moment. So I'm doing it with maple syrup and lemon juice, and I've put an egg white in there as well, just obviously that'll help make the chicken more tender. Again, it'll be served cold.
Hey Jackie, talk to me
Hi.
about what your take is on this salad special.
It's going to be a cold salad, so I'm going to
Right.
marinate it,
Okay.
and then I'm going to put it in the oven and roast it. I might even pan fry it, yeah, I'll see. I'll see.
Nice.
I was going to fill it, but I don't think it needs it because I think the flavours that I'm going to put in are going to be so wow.
Wow.
Right.
It won't need much else onto
Right.
it. So I'm just taking the
Interesting.
bones out, and it's going to be sliced when it's cold and put over the top of the salad, and then I'm going to serve it with gunpowder potatoes, which is a bit of a spicy
gunpowder
potato,
potatoes.
which
Yeah.
I'm hoping it'll just give it
Yeah.
a bit more spice.
Sounds like it's going to be packed with a lot of flavour.
It is. It'll be
Yes.
nice. It'll be really
Yeah.
tasty.
So is that quite traditional to the 1979 recipe, or you just add in
no.
lots of flair?
No, I'm just going to add, that's my flair. The gunpowder potatoes are my
Yeah.
flair. And I'd imagine they used to marinate chicken and that in
Yeah.
sort of that era as well. But
Yeah.
probably not quite using Fortnum and Mason's Earl Grey tea. Seeing as we go to King's Cross every day, I thought, do you know what? It'd be nice to actually bring something in that we get from King's Cross.
Yeah, did you get Earl Grey teas from
And
King's-
biscuits as well.
And, oh, nice.
We ate
Yeah.
the biscuits, there's no biscuits left.
No biscuits.
No biscuits left.
No, we do love the biscuits on board, don't we?
We do.
Right, Gavin, talk to me about what you're doing. Are you doing your own special take on it? Traditional?
Yeah, I'm going to do my own take
Right.
on the
Salad special.
cold salad special.
Okay.
My interpretation of it is I'm going to do a lemon and marinated chicken breast. It's going to be served cold, but it's going to be in a egg and olive oil batter as well.
Right.
That'll be served on top of, it'll be just Asian dressed leaves.
Yeah.
It'll be served with a carrot pakora and shredded spiced omelette.
What's a carrot pakora?
It's an Indian snack.
Right.
There's gram flour. It's very similar to an onion bhaji, but it just give the salad a bit more texture
Right.
to it,
Yeah.
and a bit of spice in there as well.
Yeah. So
It
you
is.
have an egg and olive oil. What's the egg doing? What's the olive oil doing? What are we getting out of
The
it?
egg and olive oil is just a light batter.
Right.
So the egg and olive oil, it'll just emulsify,
Right.
and it will create a batter.
To the chicken. So
to
you
the
put
chicken.
over the
Yeah,
chicken.
to coat the chicken.
Yeah. And then you're just going to fry it.
Yeah, and then fry it, then let it go cold, and then it will go onto the salad.
Nice.
On
Well,
top of the salad. So as I said, it's now, as you add the more olive oil to it, it's getting thicker and thicker, okay?
right.
Okay.
It's very sciencey. It feels like a bit like a chemistry class.
The heat of the water has caused the molecular structure of the glutinous protein to coagulate.
So what I will do there, I will just add a little bit of fresh parsley to it, okay? And then obviously to the salad as well, I'm going to put some, just keep it very simple. I'm going to keep tomato, some cucumber, and then
Yeah, so the salad is simple because all the flavour is going to come from the chicken.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely.
So that's the dressing
That,
there.
it does look great.
And then obviously I'm just using the mixed leaves of
Yeah.
your shop bought mixed leaves with a bit of rocket, so again with flavour. Okay, again I'm going to use the tomatoes, a little bit of cucumber, and then once that's done, then I will start then cooking the chicken. And then making the pakoras and building it that way.
Great. It sounds very tasty, Gavin. Looking forward to trying it.
You okay, Jackie?
I am. I'm just trying to get my tea bags to open. It's amazing how many tea leaves go everywhere.
So you're keeping it quite classic though, Jackie, or?
Yeah, I think I am actually. Sometimes classic is
The best.
It's the best. Right, I've let the water cool. I've boiled water, let the water cool. I'm going to soak the tea bags. I've got star anise, which I've just lofted on, a little bit of rosemary and a bit of thyme, and I'm actually going to grate some orange inside the liquid, and this is where my chicken is going to soak for 24 hours. It just lifts it a little bit by putting the orange in. So by the time I get it cooked, it's going to have a really nice aroma running right the way through the chicken, which will make the salad taste super duper.
Super duper, super duper, super duper, super duper.
So obviously today's got a chicken base. Can you tell me a little bit more about your favourite chicken dish to make?
I make a buttered chicken with really nice tempura batter, and then I make a sauce separately, and it's made with tomato base, that gochujang paste, a little bit of maple syrup, a bit of pepper maybe. Mix it all up, and then you pour the sauce on top of the chicken and shake it all up so it's all like crusty and red.
So good and tasty.
Why do you like
it's
it
so
so
nice.
much? Is it the
I know,
way
it's just the flavour, it's just like, it's really, really homely in Chinese food. Sometimes the takeout, you never quite get that wow, but this is just, I could eat loads and loads of it, it's not
very
good.
interesting. Yeah, do you cook a lot of Chinese food at home?
No.
Except the chicken.
Except the
I
chicken.
can't say the name, I'm not going to even try it.
Gochujang. Gochujang. Something like that. Gochujang. I think we need to work on that.
Yeah, we probably need to learn how to say it.
Yeah, we need to work on that.
We know that you really like the flavours from the Chinese. And it's infused in what you're making of the salad special as well with the star anise there. So very, very.
I just have to work on the word.
We need to figure out how to say it. Okay, Gavin, tell me a little bit about your favourite chicken dish.
I still don't think you can beat the roast chicken dinner.
No, you can't beat a roast chicken dinner.
Can't beat the roast chicken dinner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
The question is, do you have Yorkshire pudding with it?
Yes. Do you have Yorkshire pudding with it?
I do now, but down south they don't.
Oh, they don't.
Down south they have to have it just with roast beef. So you can't beat a good Sunday dinner. But a thing, since I've been up in the northeast, my family, well my partner's family, they do steepy peas or mushy peas with a Sunday dinner. Homemade mushy peas.
Yummy.
So it's one of those things there. I think it divides people.
It does,
But-
for no reason. It's just a bit of banter.
So as you can see, the chicken's in there.
Yeah.
A lot of people overcook it, but you can see it's got
Oh, it
a little bit
smells
of
so good. That egg and the olive oil.
See,
It's
see,
so.
it's got it's creating like a. So that'll be another couple of minutes, and that'll be ready.
Right, I'm just going to take mine now. I've got to go and take this into the fridge because that's got to now steep for a long time.
What's a long time?
24 hours. So you've heard of these Blue Peter Take 2?
Well, that's that then.
Right.
So I'm going to take this away and I'm going to bring one that's been marinated for 24 hours. So it's exactly the same thing, I just have to bring it out.
Is there a way to do it for less than 24 hours, or do you absolutely recommend don't
I would
cheat?
recommend, no, don't cheat. If you cheat on leaving it overnight, if you leave it for an hour or two, it'll be so mild, it'll just taste like probably roast chicken by the time it's finished.
Right.
So
but
you do
want
need them
something more-
spices to
Yeah.
be sure.
Nice.
So yeah, so I shall get rid of it.
This is my omelette mix, so I've just added a couple of eggs, some soy sauce, some actually Asian spices. This is the pakoras in there. The omelette's going in the frying pan.
I'm just putting some olives on my salad. I'm trying to keep the 1970s look, so I'm hoping I'm doing quite well on that one.
You will come to regard them as a very special treat.
Just checking the chicken's cooking and it's browning underneath. Right, while I'm waiting for my chicken to cook and cool down, I'm going to actually start making my dessert now.
So that's the omelette to go in the salad, just a spiced omelette. I'll let that go cold. The pakoras are just about there. So I'm just about done with my salad now. I'm just going to start tidying up and then you get on with your dessert as well. So I'm just starting my dessert now, which is a cherry crumble cake, which I'm going to do in individual Dario moulds. So I'm just lining them with a bit of butter, and I will put some flour in there as well, just to stop them sticking.
I've made the cheesecake before actually.
All right, but you're a bit of a cake maker though, aren't you?
I have.
So I've got a bit of a disadvantage here.
Well, you might have, you might not. I've just made a wedding cake which was pretty stressful. So this makes it easy. Now I'm just baking it in a tray because I just need 2 circles. I'm going to cut them out afterwards.
Again, with desserts, it's not really my forte, so I have got a recipe that I'm going to follow.
Can't follow my recipe, I need glasses on, so I'm just hoping I know it.
So who's going to be the best today then, Jackie?
Oh, I don't know. It's looking close actually. Right, I've made some homemade cherry jam and I'm just mixing some cream cheese and icing sugar through it. And then I'm going to whisk some double cream and then combine the two. And then I'm going to add some gelatin, which is slowly softening. I will need to put that into a pan and turn it liquid.
Have you got a little bit of your cherry jam like a borrowed yet?
I have, I've put it over the back there.
Cherry crumble cake with a Flanagan cream, which is the cream, cherries, oatmeal, sugar and whiskey.
Jackie, we've got 2 minutes left.
I've got to get on with it now, so I'm going to do my dressing. I'll try and do it as quick as I can. Balsamic vinegar, parsley, a bit of olive oil and salt and vinegar. A simple dressing. Ta-da!
Ta-da! That's the 2 chicken salads. Done.
5, 4, 3, 2. We're at time, everyone. So we have the same judges again, David and Hannah, and they're here to judge the salad special and cherry flan dessert from 1979. Dig in, guys.
Okay, thank you.
I like this portion size.
It's a big one, yeah. Family version. Go on, after you.
Done it. Sharing's caring.
Sharing plus sharing,
This
yeah.
is a big portion, yeah. Can you even cut? Well, it's very nice. Yeah, it was lovely that. Yeah, very long. This is a bit different, this one, isn't it?
It's a samosa.
It's very interesting how you guys have plated it. Eh?
All sauces gone to the bottom.
I like that. smoked so it's lovely. Very good.
The presentation on that one's really nice as well. It looks very oriental. The sauce is obviously oriental inspired as well, so yeah. That was great.
I'm not going to ask you guys to judge yet.
Yeah.
I'm going to get you to taste the desserts. So this is the cherry flan dessert.
It's another great sized portion.
It's massive.
Brilliant.
To share.
I do like it.
One for 10.
Oh, that's nice. That's really good.
I like the presentation.
Yeah.
Very nice. Go for the next one.
Would you say you're a desserts person?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I like the crumbly top. Very good. Both very nice again.
Time to judge.
First one I quite liked. Yeah, I did quite like that one. I like the top badges and samosas. They were lovely.
Yeah, to me that one definitely for the chicken dish. But this one I think for the dessert.
Let's judge them together. Pick one as an overall dish.
Yeah, I did like that. I mean, to be fair, both of these were lovely. I like the mousse on that one. That was lovely, but yeah, I'd probably get that.
I'd go, yeah.
Okay.
Based on the chicken dish, definitely that's.
So who made that one?
Me again.
Oh! That is 2 in a row for Gavin. Come back next time for the 3rd round, and thank you very much for watching.